Dopamine Detox, a short guide to remove distractions and get your brain to do hard things. Dopamine Detox is a concise and practical guide that explores the impact of excessive dopamine release on our daily lives and offers strategies to counteract it. The book is based on the concept of dopamine detox, which involves intentionally limiting exposure to dopamine-releasing stimuli to allow the brain to reset and regain control over our attention and motivation. In the book, Pavlina explains how our brain's reward system can become hijacked by modern distractions, such as social media, video games, and junk food. These stimuli trigger the release of dopamine, a neurotransmitter that is associated with pleasure and reward, leading to a constant craving for instant gratification, and decreased motivation to engage in challenging tasks that require sustained effort. The dopamine detox outlined in the book involves taking a break from these external rewards for a set period, such as a day or a week, and engaging in activities that do not rely on them, such as reading, meditating, or spending time in nature. By limiting exposure to dopamine-releasing stimuli, the brain's reward system can reset, and individuals can regain control over their attention and motivation. Pavlina also provides tips for retraining the brain to seek out more meaningful rewards. This involves setting goals, tracking progress, and celebrating small wins to create a sense of accomplishment and satisfaction that is not tied to external rewards. Dopamine Detox offers a straightforward and practical approach to help readers overcome the negative effects of excessive dopamine release and regain control over their attention, motivation, and productivity. The book is easy to read, and its strategies are easy to implement, making it a valuable resource for anyone looking to improve their focus, creativity, and overall well-being. Check out our website at tldread.blog. And make sure to subscribe for more educational videos like these.